Good morning and welcome to the Easy Forex Daily Outlook for Friday, 25th of November. The euro depreciated against most of its major counterparts as Merkel refused to soften her stance towards a joint eurozone bond. There were expectations that Germany would tone down its resistance after experiencing an unsuccessful bond sale on Wednesday, the worst since the inception of the euro. Fitch became the second rating agency to downgrade Portugal's status to junk. Meanwhile, Hungary yesterday asked for IMF help for the second time in 3 years. Versus the US dollar, the single currency dropped to 1.3329 from 1.3344. Against the Swiss franc, the euro remained almost unchanged at 1.2273 from 1.2275. The US dollar appreciated against a basket of currencies during the Thanksgiving bank holiday, as the meeting between Merkel, Sarkozy and Monti provided no resolution and let investors down. Versus the Swiss franc, the US dollar rose to 0.9206 from 0.9199. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback retraced to 77.17 from 77.26. There are reports citing S&P officials' comment that the Japanese downgrade may be right. Today, the day after Thanksgiving, is known as Black Friday, the unofficial start of Christmas shopping, and investors worldwide are wondering about the irony of its timing. The Australian dollar rebounded slightly to 0.9702 from 0.9697 against the US dollar, as the continuing risk-off sentiment that kept the currency subdued was softer. The British pound dropped to 1.5475 from 1.5520 versus the US dollar. The Bank of England's Miles joined a group of policymakers that noted that the central bank can do more quantitative easing if needed. Oil prices rose to $96.88 a barrel from $95.50. Gold rebounded to $1,695.20 an ounce from $1,690.01. Silver declined to $31.6275 an ounce from $31.7525. Let's look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The Euro-US dollar pivot point is 133.70 with a preference to sell short at 133.70. The US dollar Japanese yen pivot point is 77.10 with a preference to buy long at 77.10. The Australian dollar US dollar pivot point is 0.9810 with a preference to sell short at 0.9810. The British pound US dollar pivot point is 1.55 with a preference to sell short at 1.65, and the US dollar CAD pivot point is 1.0410 with a preference to buy long at 1.0410. And now the commodities. The oil pivot point is 97.30 with a preference to sell short at 97.30. Gold pivot point is 1,702 with a preference to sell short at 1,702. And silver, the pivot point is 32.20 with a preference to sell short at 32.20. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit our website easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are: the German import prices for October are forecast to drop by 0.1%. Italian retail sales for October are forecast to drop by 0.2%. And there is no forecast for Canada's budget balance for September. Now on to equities. In Europe, the FTSE was down 0.24%, the DAX was down 0.54%, and the CAC was down 0.01%. There was no movement in the market in the US due to the Thanksgiving holiday, and at the time of writing in Asia, the Nikkei was down 0.06%, and the Hang Seng was down 1.24%. I'm Amanda, and that was today's Daily Outlook from Easy Forex. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.